Today we celebrate our 50th anniversary of Jackie's Group, which we started from Hong Kong in 1970. It was my brother Ishwar Punjabi, whose blessings and whose idea. He was the group president, and it was his idea to start this mail order company. So I went to Hong Kong and I started Jackie's International Limited as a mail order company. And we were serving to diplomats, embassies, United Nations and consulates, plus duty-free shops and NGOs all over the world. So we are dealing with a lot of, United Nations headquarters, even in New York and in Rome and other countries. So our main business was mail order. Mail order means we were supplying each and everything. You name the product, we were able to supply through the catalog, through the mail order. And we were dealing almost, you name the product, we were supplying to diplomats and everybody. So this was a duty-free business, and this was the only business that we started in 1970. Then in 1980, we started as a trading and export business from Hong Kong, supplying to the neighboring countries, including China and Singapore and Far East countries. So this was again our additional business. And then finally in 1986 in Hong Kong, we were awarded distributorship of White Westinghouse USA brand major appliances for Hong Kong and Macau market. Hong Kong was of course a very prominent market those days, and even today for us is a very, very important market because our roots are from Hong Kong. So 1970 till now, we still present, our presence is very strongly in Hong Kong, and our main office is there, and our nephew, family member Manoj Punjabi is also there in Hong Kong and looking after Singapore. So Hong Kong is a very important market. And thereafter in 1987, we started our Singapore office. So Singapore is again very close to my heart because in 1968, I landed in Singapore before going to Hong Kong. So Singapore again is a very important market for us. This is our humble beginning from Far East. Well, 1985, I visited Dubai for the first time. I lived in Hong Kong for 15 years from 1970 to 85, but never been here. None of our family members visited here. So in 1985, I was on the way from London to Hong Kong, so I decided to have 2 days stopover in here. So I was 2 days in transit, and during these 2 days, I said I'd take an opportunity to visit some of the people in the same trade, So I visited many companies, many showrooms, and look at their products range and look at the pricing, and somehow I liked the idea. So I went back to Hong Kong, and then I spoke to my brother, who says that can we go back again and do the buying now this time, because our prices and all that what we compared were very, very economical here. So I came back to Dubai again in 2 months' time, and 1985 finally on the third visit, my brother said open a small office. I came back here with my nephew, Mr. Soni Tolani, and we established a Dubai office. It was a very small office in Nasser Square, and we were just wanted to start as a mail order, but we couldn't get the mail order as a license, So we finally started as a trading business here. And 1985 onward, till 3 years, we were only doing the trading. And finally, 1988, we started our first showroom in the Nasser Square, Jackie's Electronics. I am proud to say that we still have that showroom, and it's very close to my heart. I visit almost very frequently that showroom because that is the first multi-brand showroom. It was in Dubai, So this is a very, very important showroom. It's a landmark to Jackie's Group, 1998, we were invited by South African group Metro to run electronic shop in their cash and carry hypermarkets. So Uganda also was a very new market since we were having a shop-in-shop. So we took a challenge to run that business. And today I'm proud to say we don't even have that business anymore, but we are distributors of many brands in Uganda market, brands like Sony, Canon, Nikon, Toshiba, Panasonic, Molinex, Ariston, Indesit. These are the popular brands in every home, every office we need today. So we run as an exclusive importer, as a service center, and our main business is supplying to the local market. and we look after all the categories, all the brands, everything. So this is our main business in Africa. Well, as we all know that Jackie's International started from Hong Kong in 1970, and Singapore we started in 1987. So Far East is a very, very important market because our roots are from Far East. As our group started from Hong Kong, and I personally lived in Hong Kong for 27 years, and we still keep traveling to Hong Kong because our family member Manoj Punjabi is looking after the business there. So we have a home, we have an office there. So Hong Kong and Far East and Singapore, they are all very, very important market because close to China, close to Japan and all the neighboring countries, where we still have many businesses and suppliers and customers. So we are proud to be in Far East and helping customers and getting our business done from those markets. Well, personally, I believe in time. Time is a very important, and we have to move with the time. If you don't move with the time, you are left behind. So with the time, all these years, we are selling more on the boxes moving, We are selling like TV in a box and without any solutions, Today, time has changed. People, they need complete product lines, product solutions, So they need latest in technology, latest innovations in the market. And today, I'm proud to say that we have added all these new lines. And Ashish Punjabi, my son, who's fully responsible for this business, new business, and he is looking after this. That's his baby actually. And we are proud to say that we move according to the time. So what the time needs, we will be with the time accordingly, and we'll be in the business. 50 years journey is a long time, but we will still be in time to do whatever new technology comes in, and we'll be with the, people and with the customers to supply and service all the products they require. In our 50th year business journey, I am very grateful to our vendors, our business partners, our bankers, associates, and our family members for their unconditional support for all these years. We have been in business for last 50 years in Hong Kong, Singapore, UAE, Kenya, Tanzania, Uganda, and I am very grateful to all these, especially our customers, and above all, our staff members who have not worked as an employee in the company, but they have worked as a family. They are very close to our heart. They are very, very like our family members, So I'm grateful to all our staff who have contributed in our growth, and God bless us and everybody. For me, work is worship. My workplace is my worship place. And for us, our family members, Manohar Punjabi, Manoj Punjabi in Hong Kong, Ashish Punjabi, we all work together as a one family, one team in Jackie's to serve all our customers, and we support all our friends in business, in relation, in whatever, and our staff is our asset. We believe God is one, and God be with you all. Happy days. Thank you.